Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of Azure services. Today we are going to see how to use Azure Computer Vision to analyze a image. So for this we need a NuGet package called Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services.vision.computer vision, and also we are going to create a vision service in our Azure portal. So here I am going to create a computer vision. So before moving to the practical session guys, let's see what is a computer vision. It provides developers with access to advanced algorithm for processing image and returning information. By uploading an image or specifying an image URL, Microsoft Computer Vision algorithm can analyze visual content and different ways-based input and user choices. Okay. So I also created one more Blazor server application. Here I'm going to upload a JPEG file. So I have so many image here. I use my YouTube video. I'm going to upload any image file. It may be a satellite or a natural photo, and it will analyze me the record. So let's go to my Blazor server application. Stop the application from running. So let's add the NuGet package inside our application. So I'm going to tools, NuGet package console. You can go to package manager and you can manually add. So here I am installing this package. Okay, while it got installed, let's go to our Azure portal and create a computer vision subscription. So here I'm going to select my resource group and I'm going to select my region, which is Central India, and I'm giving a YT, which is YouTube, and this is my name. So here I'm going to select for the tutorial purpose, I'm going to select free. Next, click on review and create. So it's saying some validation failed in basic level. So yeah, I forgot to check this acknowledge box. Validation pass. Let's click on create and see. Okay, our NuGet also created, installed successfully. Let's go to our analyze vision, the Azure component where I am uploading my image file. So I already created added my code to upload my image file. So next I'm going to add the namespaces here. So I'm going to add two namespaces, which is Microsoft.Azure Cognitive Services Vision Computer Vision and Computer Vision.models. Next, inside the code section, I'm going to create my subscription and endpoint key, which is you can find here. Go to this after creating your Azure resource, click on go to resource. So here click on manage keys. So here you can see the keys and your endpoint, right? So I'm going to create my static fields here. So this is my keys one and this is my endpoint. Don't worry guys, I will going to remove my service after this tutorial videos. Next is I am going to add one more method to create a byte for this image. So here I created a method here, get image as byte array. So I'm going to pass this image path to this method, to this function, and it will return me a byte array. So file image upload and getting the image to byte array is completed. Let's add one try catch value, try catch exceptions. Inside this, I'm going to So any error is there, so it will store into my this string, right? Next, inside this try catch, I am going to write this line of codes. Okay, so here I created a HTTP client. Then I added a default request header as OCEIM subscription key, which is my this one. Okay, and the URI base and the request parameter. In request parameter, I added categories, description, and color. Next, byte array get. I am calling this method get image bar, where I am getting this byte array. Then posting to this URL. This URL is my endpoint vision slash 3.1 analyze, right? So you can see here you are getting some error here. So it will request a Newton sub JSON. So J token. So here also using Newton sub JSON.link you. Okay, this is a root vision. What is root vision? I will tell you later. Let's comment this and run the application and see our data is coming or not. So just put a debug point in this string, response string, and see. Run the application for now. So application got run, go to analyze image. So here I'm going to keep this path. So here I'm going to select something like a dog. Click on open. Wait for a few seconds. It will come to our debug point. So just tap over and see in this string what it is getting. I'm in a JSON visualizer. So you can see this is JSON. In color it is coming, in description tags you can see, in caption a dog is lying on the grass. I have uploaded this image, right? So let's upload something else. So I have a satellite image. Yes, I will upload this one now. So I have a satellite image here. It's the International Space Station. Transport satellite, caption, a satellite in space, right? So let's display this data into a proper view. Okay, I need to run again. I need to get this JSON record to create a C# class. So I'm running again. Step over. Here I'm coming a text visualizer, copying this complete data. Stop the application and let's go to the Google. Here search JSON to C#. So this part is my JSON. Let's click on convert. So this is my C# class. Copy. So here I'm creating one more model here, root vision. One more model. So I'm keeping here. Done. So here you can see this line, this root vision will come to this model. Run the application now. Guys, after completing this session, I'm going to upload this to my Google Drive and going to give the. So here I'm going to keep it and going to give the link in the video description. So you can also download the source code. So here going to select dog. Now click on open. So here I am going to serialize this JSON to model. So you can see root vision. Okay, I did something, so may not be root vision here. There must be root. Okay, this one, root. Skip a debug. Again, upload one more file. So I'm going to upload this orange, cutting orange. So okay, now it got assigned. So you can see description, caption, and knife cutting a lemon. So we go to tags, orange fruit drink sliced. So in this way, we can analyze an image using computer vision. Guys, I hope you like my video. If you do, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.